Welcome to this new tutorial on demo content import of Factory Industry and Factory WordPress theme. For this, go to the Appearance theme to add new theme. Click on Upload theme, and for choosing file, look for exact zip file of Factory WordPress theme. Click on Install now. It will take few seconds to be done. Now click on Activate and get a list of required plugins to begin installing plugins. So click on it and select all the plugins to install and click on Apply. While done, click on Return to Required Plugins Installer and again select all to activate, then apply. Now back to the dashboard. Go to the Appearance, then import demo data. This is the interface. There are two types of import: manual import, auto import, and under this auto import you can import all these demos. Click any one of it to continue and import content. Take few time to complete. Now click Visit Site to view. Factorie is the perfect solution for industrial and factory-related websites, especially focused on power energy sectors, architecture and design, tiling and painting, and many more. Its user-friendly drag-and-drop interface and 5+ multiple pre-made pages with one-click demo import offers responsive and retina-ready layouts, SEO optimization, translation readiness, and lifetime free updates. This is how you can import and demo content of Factory Industry and Factory WordPress theme. Thank you for watching.